Yay! Give me that whale tail. Oh, no. Nobody can see. Nobody's behind us. So douchey. Stop making me do that. Put your arm. How is that douchey? Get off. Get off. There's a CHP behind us. He's probably going to be like, why are you revving so much? He didn't pull us over either. Tandem wheelie or no? Tandem wheelie or no? The plate? Okay. I have the white lights in the back of my bike. I got a fix-it ticket from you guys, and I took it in and fixed it, and I bought blue lights, and now I have the white lights in my trunk. I just haven't put them on yet. Thank you. They're all over me.